Siman Kuf Mem Sif Aleph. The Shabbos that is before Rosh Chodesh Adar is the Shabbos which we lay in Parsha Shkolim. If there are two Adars, then it's Adar Sheni. If that Shabbos is also Shabbos Rosh Chodesh, so if Rosh Chodesh Adar falls out on Shabbos, then you would also lay in Parsha Shkolim on that Shabbos, and we would take out 3 Sefer Torah. The first Sefer Torah we would lay in 6 Aliyahs from the Parshas HaShavua. The second Sefer Torah we would lay in Parshas of Rosh Chodesh, and the third Sefer Torah we would lay in the Parsha of Shkolim. And then the Haftarah would be the special Haftarah that we lay in for Parsha Shkolim. However, if somebody made a mistake and they laid Parsha Shkolim second and Parshas of Rosh Chodesh third, it's okay, but the Haftarah then has to be the special Haftarah that we have when Shabbos when Rosh Chodesh falls out on Shabbos. Sif Beis. The Shabbos that is before Purim is when we lay in Parshas Zachor, and the Shabbos that is before Rosh Chodesh Nisan is when we lay in the Parsha HaChodesh. If Rosh Chodesh Nisan falls out on Shabbos, then we would follow the same order that we would follow if the same way if Parsha Shkolim also was Shabbos Rosh Chodesh. So we would lay in the Parsha Shavua, then we would lay in the Parsha of Rosh Chodesh, and then we would lay in the special laying for Parshas HaChodesh, and the Haftarah would follow the Parshas HaChodesh. Siv Gimel. Some say the Parshas Zachor and Parshas Para is a chiyuv de araisa to lay in it. Therefore, a katan should not get mafter. Technically, a katan could get mafter, but in this situation, certainly a katan should not get mafter. In fact, even a bar mitzvah boy should not get mafter in those situations because we're not 100% sure that bar mitzvah boy has reached what we consider to be a gadol, and therefore it's more important to give that mafter aliyah to someone who is certainly a gadol. Certain places people may not have a minyan, and they don't normally hear Kriyas HaTorah. However, even those people should make sure to make a big effort to go to shul and hear these parashiyos laid, because it could be that it's a chiyuv de araisa. If it's impossible for them to make that laning, then at least they should lane it from a Sefer Torah preferably, and they should lane it with the trop.